pinch you.
Guys ready for a bike ride?
Hi.
Just make sure she's nice in there.
Yeah, I want to be on my.
Probably in better than anybody else.
Tutti.
Daddy.
Hi, Tutti. Oops,
Oh.
she dropped those keys. Tutti. Ready to go back on, Tutti?
Let's go! That was good that was on the video. Tooties has had enough.
Alright, let's go. Look, we made it.
Yay! Tooties, we made it!
Tooties, we made it.
Ice cream.
There you go.
Alright,
That's what I'm talking about.
ice cream after bike ride.
I want hard ice cream with chocolate chip and.
Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, it's so satisfying.
Here you go, buddy.